Thrill, an undeniable spark that ignites our souls and fuels our thirst for more.
It is not only confined to adventures but extends to the realm of investing. Investing is filled with surprises. With its fluctuating prices and ever-changing dynamics, the stock market provides a realm where the thrill of uncertainty meets the potential of high returns. But unfortunately, with thrill comes risk. That's why managing risk is not an option but a necessity. Risk management is not about eliminating the risk, but it's about understanding, quantifying, and managing it as effectively as you can, guided by knowledge. When you cannot manage risk, two things are bound to happen. One, you lose money, a lot of it. Two, you miss out on opportunities. Imagine missing out on opportunities because you are scared of risk, so you avoid anything that involves it. Whether you're a seasoned investor wanting to sharpen your investing skills or a beginner eager to learn the ropes of investing, it's essential to know how to harness the risk power to your advantage. Where do you even start? Number one, education. To effectively manage risk, you need to understand the forces that drive the market and be able to dissect charts for any hidden patterns. Knowledge is a powerful weapon that empowers you to embrace the challenges of investing. With this weapon, you can shape your financial destiny. Number two, spreading your eggs. Why? So you can still have something to eat even if your basket falls and your eggs break. Of course, I don't mean it like that. By spreading your eggs across different investments and asset classes, you protect yourself from the risk of losing everything if the investment fails. It is always best to spread your eggs not just to different asset classes but regions too. For instance, if you are from South Africa, you may feel more comfortable investing in the South African market, but there are other markets out there. Why not tap into them as well? Diversification shields you from the impact of sudden market shifts. Number three, defining your risk tolerance. Granted, you are pursuing financial freedom, but how much loss can you take? Consider your financial situations and goals. What may be acceptable to you may not be acceptable to me, and vice versa. You can use tools like stop loss orders and take profits. Stop loss orders can be used in both investing and trading. A stop loss order is an instruction to a given broker you are using to sell a security you hold if the price reaches or falls below a specified trigger level. Say for example, you are trading currencies. You can set a stop loss and take profits by selecting an order you want to modify. Select the trading frame that matches your style. Next to the frame, you can find indicators to see changes or movements. Set a desired order volume and open a buy or sell position. You can also open a pending order, which allows you to set the asset price to the amount you think it will move towards. Once the level is reached, your pending order will be open. To close your order, you can set take profit, and if the asset you are trading reaches specified value or stop loss, it will sell, minimizing your losses. To download the OctaFX app, use the link down below. Number four, regulate your emotions. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment when investing or trading, and you'll find yourself not sticking to your investment plan. Unless there are other factors that suggest a need for a new plan or reassessing, it's important to stick to your plan. Some people will sell because they are scared or buy because of the hype. Regulating emotions goes hand in hand with the first option, education. When you have done your research, it is much easier to stay calm amidst the storm. Take a step back when you notice the intense emotions to avoid making impulsive decisions you may later regret. Number five, using leverage. Leverage refers to the use of borrowed money to increase the potential return, but so does the risk. With leverage, fortunes can be multiplied or shattered within an instant. Number six, maintaining liquidity in your portfolio. A portfolio comprises a collection or a basket of financial investments, everything you own, including cash. Liquidity refers to the ease with which an asset can be converted into cash without affecting its market price. How easy is it to convert cash into cash? Exactly. That's why having money or cash is one way you can maintain liquidity in your portfolio. You can do this by having side savings you have access to, like an emergency fund. If you have liquid assets in your portfolio, you can afford to allow your investments to mature over time instead of selling out of need, risking losing a big chunk of your money. The relationship between risk and return is linear. The higher the risk, the greater the potential return. And the inverse holds true. Risk management is an ongoing process. Just because I'm sharing this information doesn't mean I have completely mastered it. Every challenge I face comes with a lesson. While you can learn a lot by watching or reading, but true learning transformation happens when you start doing and making mistakes. Hopefully you won't make a lot of mistakes because you want to do your research, but you have to start doing in order to really learn. If you want to invest or trade different financial instruments actively, you can join OctaFX using the link in the description below. To start trading, you need to verify your account and learn how to deposit. Let's start with the verification. Open your app, click Get Verified button and fill your personal details according to instructions on the page. Submit your request and wait for verification to end. It takes about an hour. Now I'll tell you how to deposit. First step, go to the deposit amount and choose the most convenient option for you. The fastest one is Visa, Ozo, Skrill or Neteller. It takes up to 2 minutes. There are also local banks as one of the various options. Step 2, choose the amount you want to add to your trading account and feel free to use my promo code Nosipho, which gives you 100% bonus for your deposit. Don't forget to apply it in the promo code section. Step 3, enter your card number, name and other important credentials.